up guys, Karan Singh here, back with another video, and we've got something for the Apple Watch users today. This is an Orzly compact stand for charging your Apple Watch, and it also works like a nightstand. So I've been using my Apple Watch and it's been so many months, and the thing is, while I charge my watch, I kind of have to keep proper care that I don't know about the charger and even the watch. So I thought that why not have a stand, something to take proper care of both the magnetic charger and the watch. So I've been looking on Amazon and so many other sites, and I kind of find the Orzly and the Spigen both kind of recommended. So I thought, why not try Orzly? So let's see the box here, and cost is about 2000, but you can get good deals. Like right now it's about 1200 rupees. And let's see what else. So nothing sure, just have explain how to use it, and that's all. Let's open it. Okay, alright, feels heavy. Well, that's it, empty box. Let's keep that aside. And okay, I thought it would be very light, but it actually is heavy, and it's kind of a TPU material, good soft material, obviously good for the Apple Watch. And that's it. You're getting no wires or nothing, and you've got this 3M tape, right? Double coated tissue tape, right? You can just peel it off and you can just stick it like permanently, like, right? Okay, let me just fix how the charger would go in, and let us try. Okay, I've got the charger of the Apple Watch, right? So I think the box said it can go wire from here, right? Yeah. Oh shit. Okay, you have to pull all the way around, and I guess, yeah, okay, popped up. Okay, so this is for the cable management, kind of won't let your cable wander around. So okay, let's do this. Let me just plug it in. Okay, it's plugged in. This is the watch. So let me just try. Here's the plug. Okay. Oh wait, that is it. The time. Okay, so I guess it's a good watch stand. Wait, I'm using the wrong side. Right. Yeah. Kind of cool animation for the new watch OS. And yeah, I think it's good. At least it'll keep my wire managed, and even my Apple Watch, you won't have to keep it on any kind of desk or something. It's soft, it's good, it won't scratch the watch. I think it's a good thing. I'm using this kind of case. Yeah, it does work good. Kind of like that. Anyways, that's all for now. Subscribe my videos, like, share. See you soon. Thank you guys.